there's two things that I'm going to assume that you already know. Number one, Bitmoji, that you already have a Bitmoji, that you know what I'm talking about, and that you've personalized it to you. The other thing that I'm going to assume that you know is Seesaw. So let's get started. Number one, first thing is Bitmoji. You might have it on your phone. It could be on Apple, it could be on Android. And if you have that, go ahead and sign in on Chrome into bitmoji.com, and then you'll sign in and you'll see a page similar to this. Obviously, this is going to be your avatar. And you have a way that you can add it into your Gmail, and you can add the Chrome extension, which of course, why wouldn't you? Because it's so cool. And when you have the Chrome extension, do you see this little green face up here? You're probably used to seeing that on your phone. Bitmoji has access to this site. So that's what you're going to need to have. All right, second thing you're going to need to have is your Seesaw account. Now, this is an example of one of the silly ways that I would have shown students how to respond to one of my activities on Seesaw. And I usually use myself. I use whatever is around me as the artwork. They take their picture with their art. I have them respond and draw on it and everything. And it's pretty interactive and fun. And during this time period, I'm not able to really talk with them, and we're not able to see each other. So not only do you want to like their posts, not only do you want to comment on their posts, but I thought, if you had a little extra time, which I did it. I'd had enough time to figure out how to do this. You might want to add a little personalized touch. And here's what to do. So let's say you come across the post and you click here, you go ahead and you say edit item. Now on here, I'm going to go ahead and say, I want to add one of my Bitmojis as a sticker on this. That's kind of what it's like, is a sticker. So I'm going to come up to my little Bitmoji thing here. Don't get really excited at this point because it's not this easy. Okay, it's not. Sadly, it's not. I'm going to look to see, is there a really cute one with a cat? Yeah, this one's good. So the kids know I love cats. So I'm going to do a save image as. I right clicked and cat and me with heart eyes. Now the reason why I'm writing it all out like that is because I already have on my desktop a file folder that's called Bitmojis, and I am trying to give a really good descriptive title to what it is, so it's not just Bitmoji A, Bitmoji B, Bitmoji C. That way I'll be able to remember, yeah, that's the one that I want to do because I want to personalize it. So I'm going to click save. And yeah, sadly, it's not so cool that you can just take this and no, that won't work. See, no, didn't work. So that would have been really cool if it had, wouldn't it? So how do you get it on here? Well, I already did the edit thing. And then I'm going to click this, and no, you're not going to take your photo, but you're going to do an upload. And I've already got this pointed towards my Bitmojis folder. And then cat and me with heart eyes. So I'm going to click open. There I am. And with my little kitty cat picture there, which is really cute. And I'm going to maybe put it sideways. I'm going to maybe make it bigger. Of course, if that really was a piece of art, I'm not going to stick it right on top of the piece of art. Okay, I'm not heartless like that. I'm just going to stick it where it makes most sense, not on top of their words, but maybe like that. And then boom. Don't you